Hey guys, it's me Frog. Welcome to my two podcast. We have some cool stuff to show you. Before I show you, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. So this is a slime, and I have a slime, and it's cool, and you can make whatever color. So I'm gonna call someone. Teet 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 teet. Hello there.
Darth Vader.
Can you come?
Where are you?
My home address is 5988.
I'm coming right now. Put the
Okay.
phone down.
Here he is. Darth Vader, are you ready to open it? Okay, let's open it. Whoa! This is so long, Darth Vader. Here's the construction for you. And this. And this.
Check
No.
it out. That's how you make slime.
Yeah. Glue, activator, and there's different colors. There's 3 boards. I'm going to use one.
Number 1, the slime activator. You need that to activate the slime. Number 2,
Yep.
you need the glue. The glue goes in there to make the slime.
Yep, up to Darth Vader.
Number 3, you have 3 different colors. I personally like the purple one. Makes you look beautiful. And then
Now,
you've
let's
got,
open this up, Darth Vader.
you got it, big guy.
Okay.
You've got the cups. These are to stir, and the cute spoon.
Yeah, a popsicle. No, a popsicle stick. Right, Darth Vader?
Yes, Mr. Boy.
Now let's open this up. I'll open it for you. Here you
Alright,
go.
step 1. Measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. So, we have to measure 15 milliliters of clear small glue.
Oh, it's right.
We're gonna use our measuring cup.
I need to fit this.
So guys, check it out. So we're doing it right now. So we're gonna measure it 15. And that is going to be...
I don't see. Oh, there's no like that circle thing.
right there, guys.
Mama.
So we're gonna take 15 milliliters of slime glue. And we're gonna put it right in here.
Yep. And now step
There
2.
you go.
Look at step 2, Darth Vader.
Alright, buddy. Hold on a second here. Let's get all the glue out.
So water won't
It's going
get
out
the glue.
right there, as you can see. Okay. Alright. That's step 1. Now we have to get some water. I'll be right back with some water.
That looks so weird. Looking at my slime today. Right, guys? Darth Vader's coming in 1 sec. He's coming in 1 minute. Darth Vader, how are you doing inside there?
Phenomenal. Got some water. I'm gonna put that in here. So again, you gotta make sure you use your
Oh no,
stick.
there's glue
Put
inside
all
the
that in
water.
here, guys. Alright, cool. And the last thing is you have to do... Oh, before I get to that, so color.
I'm gonna pick this one.
The orange.
Yeah.
So we have the orange, purple, green. So we're gonna try the orange first.
Yep, I'm gonna do the orange.
We're gonna do 1 spoon only.
Yep,
So just
I'll
take
do
1
it,
full
Darth Vader.
spoon and put it right inside.
I need to add some more.
That's it. You just do 1 spoon. Yep. You mix that up really good. There you go.
Oh no, Darth Vader.
That's okay, buddy.
We can use the other cap.
Accidents happen. All right, now we have to put in the activator. Say it
I
on
can
3.
put it-
1, 2, 3. The
Activator.
activator. All right, so we're gonna put that in here now. Gonna put some activator in here. Oh, hold on a second here. Oops, the activator's closed. I forgot.
Darth Vader.
Nobody told me that. All right. So the 5 ml of the activator. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
This is the magic stuff that makes it cool. All right, that's in there now.
Now we need to what?
Oh, now we just stir and stir. And look at this. Watch it. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look at
cool.
that. Look at that turn into slime. Oh, look at that.
It
That
turned
is
in-
some cool slime right there. This is the coolest slime in the whole galaxy.
Yeah, that's my favorite color. Orange and
Darth
yellow.
Vader's favorite slime right here.
It's definitely
Now,
red
I
on
want to
me.
share you a secret. Check this out. Look at that.
Whoa,
Look at
Darth
this.
Vader, how did you did that?
Look at that. Look
That's good
at
slime.
that
Oh, no.
slime right there.
Big
That
good
is some
slime.
good slime.
Okay, Darth
So
Vader.
what do you guys think?
Is it
Do you wanna make
good
some?
or bad?
So let us know how it is. We'll do some more. But that's a slime right there. Now, for the final test, to see if this slime is cool or not cool, we're gonna
Darth
do
Vader,
something.
your hands are dirty.
Look at that.
Darth Vader, your
It
hands are
changes color.
dirty. Your hands are dirty, Darth Vader.
All right, guys. Thank you very much.
Yep.
That's it. I'm gonna take this slime back to my starship.
No!
All right.